How to fix this document cannot be printed. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this error. So if you guys are facing this problem while trying to print a document from Adobe Acrobat Reader, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So just click on OK here once you get the pop-up, and it will also show you an error that says an error occurred while printing the document. Now just click on OK and close your Adobe Acrobat. And once you've done that, you're going to go to your PDF and you're going to have to open it using any of your web browsers. So right click on it, and then what you can do is just open with, go to any of your browser. I'm going to continue with Google Chrome, and the document will open up on your Google Chrome. Now on the top right, you'll find the download button. Right besides that, you have the print settings. Click on print. Now select your printer, make sure that it's connected to your printer. Select your pages. You can even customize it more. So select your paper size. I'm just going to leave it on A4. Let's say if I want 4 copies of this, uh, pages per sheet, you could do this. Now, if I want 4 copies, so I'm going to select this to fit to printable area. And then finally click on print. Now you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.